Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials, Visual Studio Code installed and an HTML file open. First, save the file so the editor recognizes it. Next, install Live Server extension if you don't have a preview tool. This gives a local server and live reload. Once done, right-click the HTML file and choose Open with Live Server. You'll see a browser window. This approach avoids manual server setup and explains why live reload speeds iterative edits significantly. Once the server runs, position your windows. Split view in VS Code helps. Make a change to your HTML or CSS, then save. The browser refreshes automatically, so you see results instantly. If styles don't update, clear cache or enable CSS Live Reload in the extension settings. Make sure the correct workspace folder is served. Otherwise, links break. This method speeds development because you focus on code changes and immediate visual feedback without manual. To finish, stop the live server or close the preview tab and continue coding. If the preview doesn't load, make sure the extension is enabled, the file is saved, and the chosen port isn't blocked by your firewall. Also, check that you open the correct workspace folder. If problems persist, open the browser's developer tools to inspect console errors or failed network requests. This reveals missing files or path mistakes. One troubleshooting tip: restart VS Code after changing extension settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.